Hey everybody, here is the second video that I promised explaining how to navigate the textbook. So we talked about in the last video, if you click on Achieve Assignments homepage or any of these Achieve links, it will take you to the home screen of the textbook, and that looks like this. So I'm recording this Sunday night, February 13th. And so this actually says next week up here, but by the time you see it, it'll show up in this week. Basically, each week, anything that's due in the textbook is going to show up in here. So each individual reading you have to do, each individual assignment you have to do is going to show up in the this week section, and then the next week stuff will show up as next week, so on and so forth. So basically all you have to do is just click on the reading, and once it loads, this just shows you the different things that are covered in chapter 1. So you click on the reading, do the reading, excuse me. And as I mentioned in the last video, the readings, as you see here, are pretty short. So you'll do the reading. See, it shows here that the reading is complete. You do the next reading, so on and so forth. And for the assignments, you click on the assignment. You'll get a prompt of some kind. You'll type your answer to that prompt in the text box here, and then check your answer and move on to the next one. So that is, it's pretty simple. These in progress, complete, not started should be pretty accurate, but if you notice any trouble with it, make sure you let me know. You just go through and do each reading and each assignment that it asks you to do. Once you've done everything in the week and you've completed, starting week 2, you've completed your metacognitive reading log, then you're done for the week. The only exception to that is when we start writing papers, and that will come up. I'll do another video explaining how the papers work when we get there. One thing that I didn't mention in the last video, you've got these practice tests. Excuse me, my throat is dry. You've got these practice tests. This is a diagnostic setup that the textbook has for you. So basically what that is you're going to complete these practice tests during week 1, just to kind of get an idea of where you are with your reading skills, your punctuation style and mechanics, your reading strategies, and your sentence grammar. Once you do that, the system is actually going to create a study plan specified to you, and focusing on the areas where you need to improve the most, each of you individually. And you'll be working on those study plans over the course of the semester, and then at the end of the semester, you'll take a final test, and that'll give you an idea of, how far you've come in those areas after working on those study plans. So that's a cool little aspect of this particular textbook that I really like. But this is, I try to set this up so it's real simple. You see everything that you need to do, and you do it, and that's pretty much it. So I don't know that there's more I need to do here, but again, as usual, if you have any questions, things that you're confused about, anything like that, please do not hesitate to ask me, and I will talk to you all soon. Bye bye.